Multiplicative property of equality with fractions. All right, we have 6/7 equals 3 times y. All right, remember we have to get the variable by itself. Since we have 3 times y, the opposite is divided by. So we're going to divide both sides by 3. Now when you divide by 3, we're going to have 6/7 divided by 3. So I'm going to go ahead and write that down here. 6/7 divided by 3. I'm going to make 3 into a fraction. Remember, when you divide fractions, you're actually multiplying by the reciprocal. So 6/7 times 1/3. So we can actually take our 1/3, so we're going to multiply by the reciprocal since division is multiplying by the reciprocal. So we can go ahead and do that. And I'm going to erase all of this stuff. And I'm going to go ahead and reduce everything I can before I multiply. So I can divide both of these by 3, top and bottom. So I get 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. Now I can go ahead and multiply. This is going to be y. Those 3's cancel each other out. And then 1 times 2 is 2. And on the bottom, 1 times 7 is 7. So our correct answer is 2/7. So let's go ahead and enter that answer. And that's the correct answer.